Snow falls in this forest for months on end. As it collects on the fallen branches and trunks that litter the forest floor, a hidden labyrinth of snow tunnels is created beneath. Here, out of the icy air, is where the forest's rodents spend their winter. Prey exists even in this seemingly empty forest, if you know where to find it. The American marten. It only lives where in winter the snow is deep enough to create this maze. Its slim body is ideally shaped for searching snow tunnels. But that shape means it also loses heat quickly. To stay alive, it must continually search for food. The marten picks up a scent. It listens for any movement. Found you. One mouse is not enough. To keep warm in this frozen forest, the marten must find 3 mice every day. But with thousands of tunnels under the snow, which one do you check? You check them all. A frantic game of hide and seek. Only 1 in 10 tunnels is home to a mouse. And even then, finding the mouse is not guaranteed. For hunters in the boreal forest, just finding food is the biggest challenge of all.